Do not move to Ireland as a nurse, midwife, or healthcare worker until you know this. If you are a non-European Union nurse, midwife, or healthcare worker, Ireland might reject you, even if you're qualified, and most people find out too late. Hi, I am Ademola Michael Williams for One Nation Treasures, a travel consultant legally registered in Sweden, where I reside. I am not affiliated with any embassy or Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Let me break down the exact system used by Ireland from official government sources. First, the biggest mistake people make: they apply for jobs before they are approved. That is wrong. Ireland will not let you work unless you are approved by the Nursing and Midwifery Board of Ireland. Step 1. You must pass the Nursing and Midwifery Board of Ireland system. This is the only legal gateway. No registration equals no job. Simple. Step 2. The process is not what you think. It is not just apply and go. It is a two-stage system: qualification assessment and registration decision. They compare your education to Irish standards. If it does not match, you do not pass. Step 3. What they do not tell you. Most non-European Union applicants do not get direct approval. Instead, Ireland gives you something called compensation measures. That means you must either pass an aptitude test or complete a clinical adaptation program in Ireland. No shortcuts. Step 4. Documents that delay people for months. If you miss one thing, your process can freeze for months. You need passport, nursing or midwifery qualification, proof of registration in your country, certificate of good standing, employment history, and your English exam. Step 5. English test equals deal breaker. No English proof? You are automatically stopped. Accepted. International English Language Testing System, academic or the occupational English test, unless you trained and worked in approved English-speaking countries. According to the Nursing and Midwifery Board of Ireland, approved countries include Australia, Canada, New Zealand, United States of America, and the United Kingdom. Step 6. This warning comes from Ireland itself. Do not move to Ireland before your decision. Do not accept job offers yet. People ignore this and lose money. Step 7. Only after approval. Now you can apply for jobs, get employer sponsorship, and apply for a work permit. This is when relocation actually starts. Step 8. Smart strategy. Most people miss, while waiting for approval, work as a healthcare assistant, but you still need a legal work permit. Step 9. Where real jobs are posted. Use official platforms only. Health Service Executive Careers, publicjobs.ie, and irishjobs.ie. Avoid scams. Ireland's system is strictly regulated. Ireland needs healthcare workers, but they do not lower standards. If you follow the official process step by step, you can get in, ignore it, and you get rejected. Official fact check about Ireland. Let's look at the real facts. Managed nationally by the Health Service Executive, Ireland has one of the highest life expectancies in Europe at about 83 years. Ireland has one of Europe's strongest economies, with gross domestic product growth projected around 10.7% in 2025. A highly educated English-speaking workforce is a major reason multinational companies invest in Ireland's state-funded national education system. Main sectors include pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, information technology, and financial services, which play a major role in industrial output. Ireland is considered one of the safest countries in the world, consistently ranking among the top nations on the Global Peace Index. Follow for real official relocation strategies that actually work. As a registered travel consultant, I base every recommendation on verified information from official government authorities, ensuring dependable and accurate travel guidance. I humbly advise you do the same. Thank you for watching and God bless. Always remember that your greatest passport is knowledge. Bye for now. I will see you in the next video.